In this video, let us see how to split one cell into two parts in Excel. Let us see how we can split a cell diagonally down. This is the sample table where we have the data by days in first column and time slot in first row and subjects in all the cells. Now as a user, I want the first cell to be split so that the first row and first column will have the heading in the same cell. Select the cell D4. Type the two words with space between them like this. Type day space slot and press enter. Right click the cell and select format cells, or else you can use the keyboard shortcut as Ctrl+1. In this dialog box, in the alignment tab, in the horizontal section, select the distributed indent option from the menu and center option from the vertical menu. Now go to the border tab and select the diagonal border from top to bottom. You can select the border line style and border color here. And finally click OK. You can see the result as per your requirement now like this. So in this way, you can split one cell into two parts in Excel. Similarly, you can split the cell into two parts diagonally up. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.